Hi, happy morning to all. This is Saranya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science from Dr. S.N.S. Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see the course Web Design and Web Design Unit 3 Web Hosting unit. We are going to discuss. Last class we saw the process of web hosting. Now we are going to discuss about the topic domain name and its types. So first let us see what is meant by domain name. Actually domain name server, or else we used to say a domain name system that turns domain names into IP addresses in order to allow web browsers to get to websites and other internet resources. So domain name servers, which includes domain name, IP address, www dot, and then we have lots and lots of domain name respective to our type of websites. We are going to choose our domain name. So now let us see how domain name will works. For example, https www.example.com is an example. So in this http stands for hypertext transfer protocol, set of rules. That protocol is mainly for accessing our website. So www is a World Wide Web Consortium in order to access our website URL. So the URL name is none other than example. So combinedly we used to say URL, Uniform Resource Locator, is www.example.com, and then .com is none other than domain name. So it is a kind of commercial websites. That's what we used to call as an .com, and then prefix as https is supposed to be prefix, www dot as a subdomain, and then example is none other than website URL, and then .com is called as an domain name. Sometimes we used to call it as an example.com we used to call it as a domain name. So the World Wide Web Consortium helps to access our URL. The HTTP hypertext transfer protocol is mainly helps to access our website in the web pages. Web pages can able to access with the help of domain name. First of all, we have to analyze what kind of website we are going to develop. Then after developing a website, after choosing the type of website, we have to choose over the domain name. It's suppose it's a kind of commercial websites, we have to specify the domain name as .com, or else if you want to specify our country name, we can use to specify the .ac.in. And then sometimes we used to develop some organizational websites, we can provide as .org, or else we can specify our if suppose an Indian websites, we can specify like commercial as well as Indian websites, we can specify as .co.in. So likewise, we depends upon the domain name, depends upon the types of websites, we can specify our domain name. Then how it going to work? First, we are suppose you are feeding some website details like https www.webnik.cc. So that we are going to check over in the n number of server whether it's available. So that we are going to check over in one server. It's suppose domain name server is not available, we are going to check over with the help of some IP address. So first we are going to check over. Next, suppose in that particular server we couldn't able to find means that particular database. Next we move on to another server. Then in that we are going to fetch over the IP with the help of IP address. They are going to fetch over our website data collection of files were there in that particular server. After that we move on to the catch sheet. It's going to access our website. After that it's going to connect that particular data into that web server. Finally, with the help of some web browser like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, we are going to visualize our website. So in this way we are going to access our domain name. We are going to first of all let us recap. First of all, we have to choose what type of websites we are going to develop. Based on that, we have to create a domain name. some kind of domains like suppose educational kind of websites means we are going to specify .edu. Business oriented website means we are going to give like .biz. Networking related websites we can specify as .net. And then information related websites means we are going to specify as .info, or else government related websites is we are going to specify as .gov. If suppose in organizational websites we are going to specify as org. Commercial kind of websites we are going to specify as .com. So these are the some type of domain. Thank you. Have a nice day.